Breaking news, it's happening again. You need to get ready. You need to see this chart and you need to get prepared with the facts that I'm about to tell you. Look at the chart right here. We just flipped gray on this chart. We've only done it 3 other times. The previous time was 2022 and it was only a couple candles right to the bottom. We crashed dramatically right when we flipped gray. We crashed right to our bottom. It happened fast. The time before that, 2014, flipped gray right here, and you can see it was an absolute mega crash from there directly to our bottom. Our bottom happened fast. It was gruesome. There was blood in the streets and everybody got it wrong. Look at the previous time, 2014, flipped to gray right here, and it was really fast, really gruesome, right to our market cycle bottom, which shocked the world. Not anymore. In today's video, I'm going to tell you what you should be prepared for. What should you be doing right now with your Bitcoin and altcoins? And what does this chart say about when this huge crash could happen? Let's get into it. For the past 8 years, I've called every major Bitcoin bottom publicly on YouTube, and those calls have turned out to be the best trades of the entire cycle. The next bottom is coming way faster than people think. In fact, it's almost here already. And 99% of the people will completely miss it. Not because they're dumb, not because they didn't see it. They will miss it because they didn't know how to act when volatility is at its worst. In the last cycle bottom, did you hesitate? Did you wait for it to go much lower? Did you completely miss it? Did you freeze? Did you panic? Do you have regrets from the last bottom? You don't miss bottoms because you lack intelligence. You miss them because you lack a decision framework under pressure. So this time, I'm not making any bottom call on YouTube. I'm opening up the exact capital deployment system I personally use at cycle bottoms. I'm talking about how and when I scale in, how I manage risk, how much I will buy of Bitcoin versus how much I will buy of altcoins. So when everyone else is panicking, hesitating, and frozen in fear, you're executing with precision, because the bottom isn't impossible to spot, but it is incredibly hard to act on. And when the next bottom hits, there won't be time to think. Only time to execute before it's too late. 99% of people will completely miss this bottom. Don't let that be you. Join my waitlist right now and get priority access to my new Bottoms Masterclass and get the guaranteed lowest price before it opens to the public. Join my waitlist now. The link is in the description, or go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Again, that's cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. So here we are. We're on the Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 13-day chart, and we have the Super Guppy up. When you pull up the Super Guppy, what I want you to do is look at what we have in front of us. We have a bunch of green lines here, which represent the entirety of the bull. You can see that the green stays for multiple years. You can see on your chart that sometimes we turn to this grayish color. And you don't need to have a PhD to realize that this gray color is right at the market cycle bottom. That's right. There are no false signals. Every time we switch to gray is right before a magnificently huge mega crash that shocks the world. And by the way, each time we enter the bottom, everybody thinks it's going to be so obvious. Talk to anybody that's ever lived through a crypto bottom. It was incredibly confusing. It was overwhelming. Nobody knew what to do. People were frozen in time. But I'll tell you the number one mistake people make. Everybody will be getting ready for another plummet in price. They're getting ready for that next huge drop that never, ever happens. We're years and years removed from 2022. Everybody was waiting for a magnificent drop below 10K. Everybody was waiting for it. We never got a drop below 10K, and we're never going to get one again. They're still waiting. Don't let that be you. These are the biggest opportunities. This opportunity coming right now for you is going to be the biggest in 10 years. You won't have a bigger opportunity. Let me show you. So what we have in our hands here is these periods of gray that we're going to really hone in on. And you can see there's no fake signals, there's no false signals. 2014, we flipped to gray. We can see 2018, we flipped to gray. And we can see in 2022, we flipped to gray. All the rest of the chart for the 15 years of Bitcoin is green. You can see green starting here in 2012. And for the entirety of the bull run, we were green. As soon as we flipped to gray back in 2014, it was only 4 candles. 4 candles directly to this bottom. When we, by the way, we bottomed out at about 164, right? When we flipped gray, we were at almost 400, and we dropped all the way down to 160. Keep that in mind. These moves happen fast. This was just 4 candles. Now, what happened after that? Eventually, we flipped back to green. We were sky's the limit. We were going up to the moon. We topped out at 20,000. We started to have the correction, and we started to move sideways. Everybody thought that the bottom was in around 6K. We moved sideways through 6K, but here's the big signal. We flipped gray, which means we're about to have a surprise move. It's about to be a surprise crash, and it will happen fast. And you can see as soon as we flipped gray, it was only 2 candles after that. 2 candles after the flip to gray that we went right to our market cycle bottom. When we flipped gray, we were at about 6,400. We flipped gray, we crashed all the way down to 3,000 in 2 candles. It happened fast. In other words, in 2014, as soon as we flipped gray, it was 40 days of a bloodbath right to our bottom. In 2018, it was only 26 days right to our bottom. So then the whole pattern repeated again. By the way, I need your help. We need to help more people in crypto. We need to wake them up to this huge move that's going to happen. It's going to shock the world. It's going to be bloody. It's going to happen really, really fast. Everyone's going to be confused, and everyone's going to dismiss it, and it's going to be the bottom. It's going to be the best opportunity in the next 10 years. I need you to share this video. Share this video with everyone you know in crypto. We need to help them. Share this video in the forums. Share it in the platforms. Share it across social media. I need you to share this. We need to help people. This huge move happens the same way for the entire history of Bitcoin. Let's help people. Share this video now. Life is about understanding these repeatable patterns, because in charts, men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. When there is a repeating pattern, you need to trust it. Don't trust what you think or hope is going to happen, or what the narrative in social media or the mainstream media is. It's completely irrelevant. So you could see after that flip to gray, we moved back to green for multiple years. And as soon as we flipped gray again, it was exactly here. You can see right here. After that, we had 2 candles right to our market cycle bottom. In other words, the last 2 cycles for the past 8 years, as soon as we flipped gray, we only had 2 candles right to our market cycle bottom. Each time was only 2 candles, and each time was right to our market cycle bottom. Make no mistake about it. These are the best opportunities in 10 years. Nobody gets these moves right. I would say maybe 1% of people get it right. It's so difficult to do because there's so much emotion. Everybody thinks it's going to be obvious. Everybody thinks it's going to be so easy to navigate. Wait until you see it. It is gruesome. It's fast. It's incredibly confusing. It's very overwhelming. And don't let your egos get in the way. Don't let your ego get in the way. It's okay. It's okay to learn from somebody who's been doing it for 25 years. Okay? It's okay to do that. You need to tell your ego, it's okay. This is the biggest opportunity of 10 years. Don't mess it up for you and your family because of your ego thinking you can magically be a superhero and do it yourself. Look at the results since you've been in trading and investing. You know, with my help, you've had better results. You know that. That's just a fact. You know that. I know that. Don't let your ego get in the way. So here we have the 2022. We flipped to gray, 2 candles right to our bottom. Okay, just 26 days after flipping gray. And by the way, we just flipped gray, right? The time is already running, these 26 days, right? So what does this mean? What should people be doing? What should people be doing with their Bitcoin? What should people be doing with their altcoins? So plain and simple, we have 3 data points on our chart. We have 12 years of data points. All of them did the exact same move. We flipped a gray really fast to the bottom. Nobody believed it was the bottom. Everybody said we would go much lower. Everybody dismissed it. They waited for it to go lower, and we never went lower again. They missed it. They wanted to get the bottom, but they missed it. Greed got in the way. Emotion got in the way. They were frozen in time. So you can see we have just flipped to gray. What we did on the last time we flipped to gray, Bitcoin was at roughly 32,000. We went from 32,000 to 17,000 in the snap of a finger. Just 2 candles. It was fast. Now, where we're at now, when we flipped to gray, we were at roughly 71,000. Okay? So you can see what happened in the past, what percentage we went down in the past. You can start to run some numbers. You can start to pull this up on your chart, and you can start to see these repeating patterns. It's going to happen fast. It's going to be a shock. Everyone's going to dismiss it that the bottom is in. People will not believe that the bottom's in. They will wait. And by the way, you can see each time we get to a bottom, it's fast. It's not like we hang out down there for a while and give people a whole bunch of different chances. Sometimes, like in 2014, you have these huge wicks, which means we were only down here in price momentarily, and it got bought up by really smart people, and nobody else got a chance to buy it. So keep that in mind as we move forward. A lot of times also exchanges, very reputable exchanges that you may use, they will be frozen. It happens all the time. If you're new to crypto, maybe you haven't experienced that, but even if you knew it was the bottom, and even if you're ready, it just depends on what exchange. You need to have the right strategy in place to really execute these trades near the bottom. So what can we expect this time? We have flipped to gray, and we are currently, right now, as we speak, on our first candle. Keep in mind, the past 2 cycles, only 2 candles. We are on our first one right now. It hasn't printed yet. We still have a bunch of days before this prints, but it was only 2 candles the past 8 years right to the bottom, and we're in our first candle. Just let that sink in. I need you to get ready. I need you to get ready for what is about to happen, okay? So what we can expect is more of the same, right? We can expect, this mega crash that's going to lead to our market cycle bottom. We anticipate it being in the month of March and potentially in the month of April. Now, these mega crashes will lead to a bottom. It's likely that those 2 months will be the focal point. And keep in mind, nobody is expecting these 2 months. How many people on social media, everybody's saying October, wait till October, go to sleep and wake up in October. You can if you want, but you're going to miss the best opportunity in the next 10 years. The first bottom always comes when nobody expects it. It happens every single cycle. Don't let that happen again. These are the biggest opportunities, okay? So if I was sitting in a stockpile of Bitcoin and a stockpile of altcoins, and maybe I have different altcoins, maybe I have 4, 5, 6, 10 different altcoins, and I'm waiting for things to turn around, and I keep hearing these promises online that we're going to have this bounce and wait for and they just don't come, and things get worse, and we're starting to grind down, and I'm looking at my portfolio over and over and over again, and I'm like, oh my God, people keep saying it's going to turn around, it's not turning around. What should I do? Should I keep holding on for dear life? What am I supposed to do? Well, I would tell you this, right? If it were me, the advice I would give to myself, education. Number one, education. I tried to do it myself when I was younger. I got destroyed. I got destroyed in the .com bubble, and even in the 2008 crash, I also got destroyed because of ego. Don't let that get in the way. Ego is a kryptonite, okay? Don't let that get in the way. Don't be me. Don't be young, stupid Steve. Get yourself education first and foremost. But if you're holding the bag in altcoins and holding the bag on the Bitcoin, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Number one, get education. But I would want to get out of the market. I would want to get out of the market and buy back lower. But the problem is you're not going to be able to get out of the market and buy back lower because it'll be a complete guess. And we all know where that's led before. You got to invest in your education. This is a professional sport. I say this all the time. Maybe my favorite sport's basketball, right? Pick any favorite sport. Do you think you can just dabble in it for a year and then suddenly be a professional? You're out of your mind. In any sport, the professionals will eat you alive, chew you up, and spit you out. It's the same thing that happens here. Anytime you lost those trades, guess what? The other side of that was winning. They were taking your money because they are professional and you are not. I hate to be so blunt with you, but you need to hear this. I wish somebody was telling me. My ego really got in the way. I thought I could do it. I got beat over the head until I really stopped trading and investing and just learned for years and just nonstop with the charts, nonstop. That's what it takes. So the easiest solution is my bottom masterclass. That will save you 5 to 10 years of headaches of learning how to do it. I give you the actual blueprint. What I've learned over the last multiple decades of how to play this game as a professional would at the bottom. Clear, simple, whether you're 5 years old, you're 105, you're going to understand it. It's going to be a game changer. You can go out on your own, learn it. But if you were to get out of the market right now, maybe you sell all those altcoin positions, you sell all those Bitcoin. Do not sell unless you have the education of exactly how to get back in. My education will save you all the years. It'll be the best investment you've ever made, but it's up to you. Do you want to let ego ruin it this time again? Or are you going to bite the bullet and be like, you know what? Let me learn from the dude that I've been watching for a long time, that's trustworthy, that talks straight facts. He's not taking paid ads. He's not taking paid sponsorships. He's building things that actually help people. His students, he's actually helping. Come on, man. It's obvious. It's a no-brainer. You know what to do. I'll see you on the inside. The bottom is coming fast, and when it hits, you will not have time to think. 99% of people will completely miss it. You remember all the mistakes you made last time. This is literally going to be the best investment opportunity of the next 10 years for you. If you want to dominate this bottom better than you've ever dominated any bottom before, join my waitlist right now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Link is in the description.